Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2019 Buick Enclave Essence all-wheel drive, stock number Z9735XX. 11,000 miles on this Enclave. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Pepperdust metallic in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 4-year 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star overall government crash rating, seat 7 with a leather interior, bucket seats in the middle row, thick skylight overhead with sunshade, rear climate control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row buckets will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, along with rear parking sensors and backup camera. Power liftgate for convenience, ample storage behind the third row, 60/40 split seat, folds flat easily, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Essence has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjustable power liftgate, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in a perfect driving position, power moonroof, button start, large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, all-wheel drive lock, giving you the greatest capability in inclement weather, large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. Dual-zone front climate control, as well as separate rear control. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for climate, as well as heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Automatic transmission. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with the owner's auto dimming mirror, Holmic transmitter for garage door opener, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Enclave has a 3.6 liter V6, 310 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 65% tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.